My name is Ezekiel Nenwa, student of the Des Moines Area Community College, DMAC for short. I'm doing this video as an assignment instructed by my professor for my data structure class. And this video going to basically explain my progress so far in my semester project development. So as you can see, uh, before I go into the question, I would like to give an overview of the project. So this project is an event management system that which goal is to develop a software system that manages event attendees information and event schedule. So it involved the use of various data structure, that is linked list and array list, along with algorithms such as the merge algorithm sort or the merge sort algorithm to ensure the system operates effectively, accurately, and efficiently. And I have few functionality, that is managing event. Users will be able to add, edit, and delete event. Also, managing attendees, the system will allow registration, viewing, and removal of attendees as well. And then sorting attendees. This program uses a merge sort algorithm that will sort attendees based on their time of registration or their registration time. So for this week, before I go into what I've accomplished so far, my instructor wants me to record and publish a video via YouTube or other video service where content can only be accessed publicly by those with the link, and then asking me to answer the following question. Number one, what did you accomplish on your final project? That's question number one. So, because this project is an event management system, I needed to sketch or what I needed for this project to be successfully implemented and accurately running as well. So I decided to first of all name the file data structure semester project one, so I'll be able to distinguish it from other files that I have in Eclipse. Yeah. And there I also created 5 packages that will store the various information that I need for this project. So one of those packages was named data structures. Data structures because this class is a data structure class. And we're asked to implement at least 2 data structure for this project. And so I decided to name the package data structure. And in this package, I was able to create classes for this project. So as you can see there, I have this class for the linked list. The linked list class. I have the linked list class here. Oh, file the file linked list .java created, and the purpose of this class is to be able to manage the collection of events. So I'll be able to, collect the information about the event, that is basic information like the name of the event, the location of the event as well, and also other information. But I needed a linked list data structure that will be able to store those information that are named for one of those classes. I'll be able to manage the event. So that's why here I created a linked list. Yeah. And for this linked list to be effective, I'll also able to create a node.java class because it work along with the linked list. So the node class work along with the linked list. It was implemented to work along with this linked list. It will hold the event object and also reference the next node uh, and also reference the next node that is next. And in here, I was also able to create few methods to manage the event. Like as you can see, the first one is the add event method that holds event as a parameter. Here was added. So here is to add new event at the end of the list. At the end of the list, I'm going to add new event. And if the list is empty, the new node containing the event is created and assigned as the head. If the list is not empty, it traverses the list starting from the head and find the last node. So that's what these method gonna be doing. And then also created another method called the get event, another public event method called get. And this is to retrieve the event at a specific index. So there it holds index as a parameter. So you're going to retrieve the event at a specific index. So if you want an event that was created, you have to get that event at a specific index to be able to either delete or edit that event. So that's what this get method is all about. It will get the event. And there you see it has if the index is out of bounds, it's going to show an out of bounds exception and with a message index out of bounds. So example, you want to maybe delete an event at index 5 and that event is not or that index is not available. It's going to show an exception index out of bounds. Index out of bounds. And also I have another method called the remove. Remove the var remove method that also holds index as a parameter. So here is to remove an event at the specific index. So the index in which that event is stored, you're going to remove that event at a specific index. Now, first of all, you have to check if the index is 0. And then simply reassign the head to the next node, effectively removing the first node. And then I also have a method called SAS. SAS. Here, this method here will the purpose of this method is to return the number of event object in the linked list. So if you were able to let's say create, or if you're able to register, or let's say create 5 events, this method will return the size of the event object in the linked list. So we start at the head of the list and traverses through each node, incrementing the size counter. So that's why you see here size plus plus. Once the head of the list is reached, it returns the size of that list. So this the array, the attendee list class is where I implemented the array list data structure. Implement the array list data structure to hold the to hold the information of the attendees. Also, I was able to implement a merge sort algorithm for sorting attendees based on their registration time. As you can see there, sort attendees using merge sort based on registration time. So the attendee will be sorted based on the time of their registration. And there I have few methods like add, remove, and SAS. So this is the sort class, let's say method sort attendees method. So this will divide the list into two halves and sort them effectively. However, I'm still kind of like a little bit struggling on this sort algorithm, or especially trying to use the merge sort. I'm still thinking if it will be effective for this project. So for this week, I've been researching, making sure that everything works. And let me go to the next question. It says, did you have any blocker? Like I was just saying, my only uh doubt was using this merge sort. Though it is effective, but I'm still trying to understand it and I want to understand it and use it in the best way so that my project will be effective and not just use something that I cannot understand. Well, so that's my block of things that have stopped me for this week. Next question say what or do you need help? Yeah, I'm trying my best to watch videos, to read documentations, also go over remain the note that we went over concerning this aspect of the class. And if there's any additional need, I will shoot my instructor a message. What do you plan to do next? That's the last question. Next, I plan to keep working on my project